What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have that's right, two mystery box sent my way from subscribers. So you guys want to see what I got in them, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so it is day 12 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. Before I jump into today's video, I do want to let you guys know that the new Glam Light Chocolate Foodie Lovers box is now live. You get 7 full-size items, you get like 2 new palettes that are exclusive to that box. They finally have a neutral palette for all my neutral people out there, and it only retails for $45. I do have a discount code, it's code AllieD, which will save you guys 15% off your order, making it about $44.95. And I know like the price point because I just bought the box this morning myself using my own code, no shame. And it pretty much takes like $6.75 off, which pretty much covers shipping and handling. So it's like an even 45 pretty much. But I'm so excited to dive into today's video. As you guys can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. The most I did, I just brushed my eyebrows, threw on some mascara and some lip gloss. And that's it. That's all your girl did today because it's a very lazy day for me. It's kind of crappy weather here in Florida. I didn't really feel like doing a full face of makeup. I wanted to just be lazy, throw my hair up, stay in my PJs, and just film a video for you guys. And you know what? You guys have seen me without makeup on so often. We're good enough friends now that y'all don't care, I don't care. So with that said, let's dive into these mystery boxes. So first things first, we do this mystery box right here from Amanda Brazelton. I'm so sorry if I'm saying your last name wrong. I think I'm saying it right, but it is a June & Co. box. Now, I did pop it open because I was like, who sent me June & Co.? And then I saw a card and I was like, oh, no. It's just for the box. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. I haven't sneak peeked this at all, as hard as it is for me to do, but I'm going to read the card right here. By the way, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who are sending me Christmas cards. Like, oh my God, it's so cool. I'm like, oh my God, Christmas cards. I'm starting to have like a little stockpile. Oh my God, look, I think we got another one. I love Christmas cards. All right. Oh, thank you so much, Amanda. Thank you guys so much. And I am being cheeky. I'm saving all these because I am going to be sending a little thank you card in return. It's what I always do. So, all right, let's see. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a, clean color donut bar eyeshadow palette. What? Oh my God, they're so tiny. Oh, look at that right there. That is so freaking cool. I've never even heard of this brand, but look how tiny these shadows are. Oh, these are so cute. I had to swatch one color. Take a look. Ooh, it's a pretty green. Ooh, thank you so much. Oh, let's swatch this one too. Ooh, look at that. That is a really pretty color. Oh my God, thank you so much. You guys know I love my food themed palettes. This is so cool. I've never even heard of this brand before. Thank you so much. All right, we have we have a big intensity assorted fine markers. It's like you knew. It's like you knew that my markers, I've gone through so many of them because I love coloring. I have multiple adult coloring books. I think they're so much fun. I'm also really into etching, but I feel like you can never have enough markers because you'd be surprised at how much you can go through a marker and you're like, hot damn, like this, like I go through them like crazy, and they're not the cheapest thing either. So thank you so much. It's like you knew. It's like you just knew. So that's gonna really come in handy. I really appreciate that. What? Oh my God, this is so cool. What? I probably should share this with you guys. Oh, I'm being stingy. Oh my God. This is Bob Ross Paint with Water. Paint your way for a mellow mood. Oh my God. This book includes tear out coloring and paint with water pages featuring iconic Bob Ross landscapes and seascapes. Hidden in the black lines of painting pages are vibrant watercolor palettes ready for you to bring to life. Simply wet your paintbrush and glide over the lines to release the pigments. As you watch the colors blend, delight in the gorgeous Bob Ross masterpiece you created. On the coloring pages, use your own colored pencils, pens, or markers and let your imagination run wild. Paint and color like Bob Ross and find your mellow mood. What the fuck? This is so cool. Oh my god. Bitch. Yo, okay, what? What? This is so cool. So like what? I just like dip my paint into this and it just like, it paints? No way. How does that work? Use the book's flap to slide underneath your painting page. This prevents water from seeping through. Well, you don't need to beat the devil out of it. Gently tap any excess water before beginning. Glide your paintbrush over the magic blank canvas and watch the colors appear. We have to try this out because how does this work? Bitch, hold on. I'm nervous. All right, so we're going to go onto this page right here. Tap the devil out of it. Okay. What? How? Oh my gosh. What? This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, I could literally spend the rest of the day doing this. So Amanda, oh my god, thank you so much. This is gonna be so much fun. Now the best part about this is not every single page is a painting page. There's some coloring pages in here as well, and you can kind of like mix and match your creativity. That is so cool. Thank you so much. Oh my god, that is freaking awesome. I've never ever heard of that. Wow. Okay, cool. All right, the last thing I see in here is something from Glamlight. What is the Aldronda Desi? What? Look at the luxuriousness of this. Actually, I don't own any of like Glamlight's original palettes. They have 2 original palettes that I do not own. I only own all the food theme palettes. So this looks beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Yeah, let me look at it. I swear there's 2 of them. I swear. Yeah. I've seen this palette on the website. I do not have this one. Well, no, I do. And it's the other one's like Calente eyeshadow, which is like another book like this. These are one of their first 2 like IG palettes. One of the first 2 OG palettes. And I finally am completing my collection. This is so cool. Thank you so much, Amanda. This is amazing. It's like are you watching me? No, I'm kidding. It's like you knew that I did not have this. That meant a lot to me. Thank you so much for the beautiful card, for the markers that are going to go with that amazing freaking coloring book, for this beautiful Glamlight palette and the donut palette. I cannot thank you so much. Thank you so much. These are always so much fun. And as always, you guys never have to give me anything. It's always my job to do for you, but you have no idea how much this means to me. So thank you so much. All right. And the next one is from Jennifer. It's this big boy right here. Like I said, you guys don't have to send me anything, but you guys were so sweet. Okay. So first things first, there is this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little snowman ornament. Oh my god, this is adorable. Thank you so much. I think this might be a little bit too big to fit in the tree behind me, but I will actually put it on my tree. These are actually really cute. Fun fact, and Jennifer, you wouldn't know this because I never talk about it, but before Jenna had passed, she hated my Christmas tree. She was like, oh, all you ever do is have plain ornament balls. Like, she hated it. So she wanted to start a tradition with me where every single Christmas she'd go and buy me a brand new little like snowman to put on the tree. Like, so it's always her tradition. She'd get me a snowman ornament and I put it on my tree, and I have 3 of them courtesy of her. And I stopped the tradition when she passed just because it was kind of like, I guess it got to be too hard for me to do that, but I definitely wanted to pick it back up. So the fact that you got me a little snowman, Jennifer, that means so much. You have no idea how much this means to me. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to put it on my tree and start my tradition back up again. Oh. There's a little Ulta bag in here. What? All right, so we have a little sample of Clinique. Oh my God, I actually received one of these when I got my hair done not too long ago. They were like passing it out. Oh my God, thank you for reminding me about that. Next, she got a little La Roche Posay Anthol Helios 50. I don't know how to say this. La Roche Posay. Am I saying it right? La Roche Posay? Posse? Oh. You know what? It will always be La Roche Posay to me. So thank you so much. I also really want to thank you because she got me the Morphe 35XO Flirt palette, and this had been on my my $1,000 Sephora Ulta haul. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. You guys are way too sweet. You guys don't have to do this. This is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty she is. She is so beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I cannot wait to play around with this, especially this shade right here, Crushing Hard. Now, I really hope that this is a good formula because the last Morphe palette that I played with was the Lisa Frank one. That was like a really horrible formula. I didn't really understand it. I was like, it was just different from normal, but I heard nothing but good things about this palette, and thank you. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Oh, you guys literally just made my day. Oh, thank you guys so much. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I feel like I can never just stop saying thank you. This is so sweet. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Oh, thank you. All right, guys. Well, that is it for my mystery box. These boxes are always so much fun to do. And it's why that, like, I have a goal that when I hit 50K, I'm going to do, like, this really big mystery box. And, like, last time I gave you guys hints, like, as to what would be in it. This time, I ain't going to say shit. I'm going to say nothing. Y'all are going to know. It's just going to, like, go poof and appear. That's my goal. So thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Amanda and Jennifer, for gifting me these items. That means so much to me. The fact that you guys took the time out of your day to create a little box for me to purchase these things, like, well, it really means a lot. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for accepting this and all. It's a lazy day here in Florida. It's shitty weather, and when I get done filming this, I'm going to play The Sims. And then it's back to the grind. I know I had talked about, like, having my videos be over on the 25th, like that's where Vlogmas would end, but I actually have a few palettes sitting in the corner. I feel like I actually have a lot of content to film, so I'm hoping to maybe surpass that and try to maybe go into the very end of the year and then call it like a wrap. I am going to film. It's coming. It's coming, guys. I keep getting asked to film a declutter series. It's coming. It's very hard for me because, like, I'm not going to lie, and I say this with no shame. I worked really, 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 really hard for everything that I have behind me and right there. I worked really hard. I worked my ass off. I barely get sent PR. So everything that you see here is pretty much out of my own pocket. So to get rid of some of the stuff, I'm like, it sucks. But I also wanted to go to a good home. I am not opposed to donating it to women's shelters. But I also know there's a YouTuber here called Soph Does Life, and a lot of times she actually does the clutter series. She will give her gently used palettes to subscribers, and there are a few palettes that are sitting behind me that I have only touched once, sometimes not even at all. So if it's okay with you guys, maybe I can do that as well, or I can gift you guys some of the products. I know that, like, it's weird because of COVID and people are really unsure in sanitary means, but I'm going to leave that up to you guys and what you guys want me to do. I'll talk about it more when that time comes, but a declutter video is coming and another updated filming makeup collection is going to come as well. And I will have the best and the worst of the year. In my personal opinion, I feel like those videos won't really be as long because when I am really obsessed with something, I pretty much stick to it and I don't really try too much else. So some things you might see are the same from last year. You are going to see some new things this year. And yeah, I'm really, really excited about it. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for sitting here watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, however you please to like it or not. Please consider subscribing to my channel because I do post every single day. Also, head over to our other channel, it's Our Photo Life, where you guys get to see my cool, amazing adventures, my wonderful fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! You get 7 full-size items with a All right, so first things first, I have this box. Hello. Threw on masks. I know I'm not wearing makeup. Don't blur me out. Okay.